Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to CyberGuardHub, your ultimate destination for all things IT, cybersecurity, and technology. I'm super excited to have you join me on this journey into the world of technology. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your IT skills, this channel is designed for you. Here at CyberGuardHub, we break down complex topics into easy-to-understand lessons. We cover everything from computer networking, programming, cybersecurity basics, to hands-on tutorials. If you're passionate about building a solid foundation in IT, mastering cybersecurity skills, or staying updated with tech trends, you're in the right place. Each week, we'll dive into new topics, share tips and tricks, and tackle real-world scenarios. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. If there's a specific topic you'd like me to cover, feel free to drop a comment below. I always love hearing from you. Once again, welcome to CyberGuardHub, where we protect, learn, and conquer the digital world together.